Let's make a beautiful ear cuff. You're going to need some yellow and green crystals and a heart, 22 gauge copper wire, cut 7 inches of wire, fold the wire in half, bring the wire down to the middle, straighten out your wire, and twist. Add 4 crystals to one side. Add your heart. Add 3 crystals. Add your green bead. Add 9 more crystals. Flip it around to the other side. Add 6 yellow. One green. Add 10 yellow. Bring your wires closer together. Cut. Roll. Straighten out. Wrap around. And there you have it. So sweet and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.